Hey everyone, thank you for joining us again. Today we have another beautiful vehicle in here. This is our 2023 Genesis GV70. Nice vehicle, you want to keep it at home. What do? Unfortunately, this key with all the chips and immobilizer in it is easy to bypass, easy to copy. Almost everyone can get access to your vehicle in a few seconds, get in the car and drive. So now that I have the key, what can I do? Let's see, can I drive away? I'm gonna go inside the car, enter the vehicle, I'll start the vehicle. Very easy, the car is running. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shift the car into gear. And as soon as I shift the car to gear, the car shut down. So let's go ahead, try again. I'm gonna start the car again. And I'm gonna shift it into different gear, and again the car shut down. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start the car, but this time I'm gonna enter a PIN code. It's a combination of buttons that I created specifically for this video. The buttons can be changed with no limitations of how many times. You can have a combination of 3 presses or 20 presses. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna enter my code. I'm gonna get a confirmation. Once I got a confirmation, I'm gonna put the car in gear and I can drive away. No issues whatsoever. The IGLA Anti-Theft System is protecting this vehicle. If you're not the rightful owner of the car, you are not taking this car anywhere. If you are the rightful owner of this vehicle, you're the only one who knows the code. You can change the code. You can combine it whichever way you like. By doing so, you will protect your vehicle. Nobody will be able to get it. When you go to the dealerships, you're going to be able to put the system in a service mode, which allows them temporarily to work on the car without the code. If you have a request for this system, the IGLA Anti-Theft Protection System, find us at Car System Installation, and we'll see you on our next video. Have a great day.